This is the 2004 Malibu Wakesetter XTI. This is 22 feet. This does have a tower and board racks. The trailer is a swing tongue and is a tandem axle. It's green in color. It does have load guides on the back. Got your field fill. Then you do have your swim platform on the back. This does have a manual wedge on it. All seem to be in okay shape for the year. Let's hop up into the boat and take a peek at what the interior has to offer. Up in the bow, you do have a removable filler cushion that you can have the walkthrough or the sun pad up front. It does have a Pioneer stereo system. Boat has about 500 hours on it. The dash does show all of your important stuff, your oil, your engine temperature, your fuel, your volts, your RPMs, and your miles per hour. You have a flip-up bolster on your seat. This does hold 11 people. Here's your passenger side dash. Interior. You do have a sun pad right behind the seat. Towards the back. Looks like you need to do a little upholstery work. That's not uncommon for these wake boats. The tower does have wake lighting. Looks like the tower does fold down. You do have a mirror. If you have any further questions on this boat, feel free to contact James at SkipperBud's Madison on the 2004 Malibu 22XTI. Thanks.